We are Preston and Shauna, sailing our 1988 Catalina 36 around the Pacific Northwest. Between the two of us, we have 7 kids, and we have a little time before our nest is completely emptied. Join us for the next 5 years of sailing adventures as we learn the ropes and make plenty of mistakes, gearing up for the day we could sell all our crap and become full-time liveaboards, sailing off into the sunset. So if you recall on one of the last episodes, Shauna and I were talking out on the boat. I was asking her what she likes, and she had such a hard time saying what she likes. Anything?
In what area are you talking about?
Anything. It's so hard for you just to even pick one thing you like.
I like it.
That's good. And she finally said she likes puzzles. That was so awesome. Because it was her birthday that weekend, and her birthday present hadn't come yet. She doesn't realize I'd already bought this for her. Check this out. Just one more frozen body floating down the stream. I never know. So this is where everything went wrong. You can see one of our spare halyards. When we're at anchor, I have it lashed to one of the safety lines to keep it from banging on the mast. And I wasn't prepared and left it there, and so it got tangled. And it goes downhill from here. Like one thing goes wrong, and then another, and another, and another. And for some reason, we couldn't hand pull in the Genoa, so I had to winch it in. I have no idea why. It's another thing that went wrong for some reason. We were really lucky one of those sheets didn't fly into the water and wrap around the propeller. And if you don't like swear words, fast forward about 2 minutes. Because here they come. Back into the fucking wind. What the fuck is going on here? How the fuck? How the fuck? I don't know. What the fuck? So yeah, for some reason, it would not wrap around the winch properly and kept jamming on itself. Again, I have no idea why. Never had this problem before. think this is basically what happens when you start sailing and you didn't go through your checklist and you weren't prepared. One thing goes wrong and it all tumbles downhill. We have two halyards up there. I don't know what they're used for. I'm still learning. It jammed on something. We couldn't even pull it in for some reason. Again, no idea why. It just all went wrong. And here we go. Yeah, basically, after everything went wrong, that saggy Dodger was the last straw.
The light from the city shows you lying awake. The devil's outside talking to you. He's got a table for two. The chains are rattling, their hours are long. Don't look to me for what to do, 'cause this one's all on you. No one ever said this life was gonna be easy. No one ever said that it wouldn't take long. I bet you didn't know it would be so easy to please me. I bet you didn't know it would feel so wrong. You're not feeling pretty, then you developed a hell.
Okay, Donna,
You met
I'm not
us.
eating it.
you want a saucy one or a dry one?
I don't want any at all. Gross. You go. Nope, you go ahead.
Look at that, puppy. You ready?
Oh.
Shockingly yummy. Try a little bite. Shauna, try one. I just tested.
Oh, it's gonna make me gag. just looking
Shauna,
at
do it.
It's so gross.
It doesn't taste like you think.
It looks so gross. I don't want to.
Please.
No.
Shauna.
No, it's gross. I'm a
Do it.
child when it comes to food. No.
Shauna.
No. No.
Oh. That's really good. Shauna, it looks gross. Does not taste gross. It does not taste fishy like it smells. Try a dinky little bite. Shauna.
Oh, no, it's so gross.
Do it.
No, I can't.
All right, that's lame. You only live once.
I don't want to throw up. I don't understand that.
I don't like the labia. It's too big. But the other stuff is
That's
super
what she
tasty.
said. No.
I've never seen anything like this. What in the crap?